Hi guys, we're at the Claypole level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe and Adam.
Hi guys, here we are at Claypole level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe and Adam. This is the same as the old ones.
Yeah, I think that they may have forgot to redo the bang. The other gets bang.
Don't bang that one, it bangs enough. There we go, now the time is 14:03 on Saturday the 7th of February 2015. This is for our 14:04 1 Alpha 31 East Coast service from East of the King's Cross.
Yeah.
And the boss has just gone as well.
I heard another alarm go just before this one.
I don't know.
What, you can hit Osterfen from here?
No.
No one ever told me that. No, because someone said it would have been Osterfen. Which way is it coming from, Joe? This way?
The East of King's that way. Coming from that way.
I don't see anything.
Hey? Ah, okay.
What is it like?
Paul said it's coming.
What's coming?
The train.
Joe, don't hold it there. You'll drop your tablet and lose it forever.
I won't lose it forever. I'll get it back when the barriers go up.
Yeah, but still, you'll probably end up breaking the screen.
Oh, there's a green signal just gone green. So we're in for a double stay again, I think.
Oh no, not a double stay. Why don't they move the fence?
After this, we're going straight to Oster.
What, Oster?
Yeah.
We're going to Oster next?
Yeah.
Yes.
We'll get 3 closures at Oster, and then we'll get
I hope
3 at Barnby.
Yeah. Are we gonna go down a second time and do the bracing? Like we did at Helpston, and I almost got, and the trussing went off on me. A bit like at Redcar.
I'm not sure. Oh, she is. We got.
Can you see it from there?
Yeah, it's coming.
Oh, no. It looks like it's
82-216. 91-108, and we're staying.
Oh wait.
Yeah, the signal's just gone green at the top.
Which one's the one by the brand new barrier got installed?
Hey?
Andrew was on about one of these barriers was reinstalled.
Well, Andrew said that Sleaford's got upgraded and it hasn't. So I wouldn't know.
That, but Andrew said that Claypole had a new barrier. And I know it was the
Well, Paul said it's not because he said they won't get touched now because all these crossings are going to be dug out and put a bridge.
not all of them.
Every crossing between York to Peterborough.
Oh, damn it.
This as well.
Oh, I don't want Claypole.
Oh, signal's just gone amber on the loop for that
You
freight
mean
system.
yellow?
I say amber.
You have to say yellow. That is the colour of it, not amber, unless you're looking at a level crossing, which is here.
Yeah, but
Unless
amber is a yellow stone. Is a yellow diamond.
No,
It is.
amber is the colour that these lights light up when they're
Gone green.
warning people, and then amber is also what's on traffic lights at road junctions. This is yellow, Joe. You can even ask my dad. It is yellow.
Well, I don't know.
Look at this. What the heck? Claypole LC YN barrier. Why don't you just have YN wrote on it?
I don't know. It's not a big deal.
It must be good, because that means that this
Here
gate,
she is.
that means that this gate is very old.
It's not particularly a big deal.
They need to redo it though. That means that this gate here is very old. And that means that they have to redo it. The gate's too old. I can hear vibration. Oh, you hear it. I can definitely hear it. Right. Are we gonna get any more closures here?
43-251. 43-299, and up they go.
There it goes.
Thanks guys, we'll see you in the next video.